You told us the infrastructure for Azure is located on 6 data centers over the world. Where are those data centers?
The data centers are in Amsterdam and in Dublin in Europe, and they're in Chicago and San Antonio in Texas in North America, and they're in Singapore and Hong Kong in Asia.
When we move our applications into the cloud, who is taking care of the configuration?
You give us a configuration information about the application, so you configure the firewall, you configure the ports that are reachable, you configure what the assets are that we need to go and deploy. You give us that data, and then we're deploying that application for you, which means we are configuring the infrastructure. We're putting certs into the system. We're registering your application with the IaaS infrastructure. So we're doing all the deployment work for you. So we're configuring the system to run your app.
Will we be able to move all the applications into the cloud and all of our data?
I don't think you will, for all kinds of practical reasons. A lot of applications are too small. So that if you have a little small application that's just used by 3 or 4 people, that's probably overkill to move it into the cloud. You probably want to have a departmental server which can go and serve that up. And a lot of data is subject to regulation. Some data is subject to government regulation, like health data. Some data is subject to just internal policy regulations, where sometimes you must not move that data outside of your own control into a cloud platform. We're building capabilities so that you can treat our data center resources as your own. So the story will overall improve, but I don't think you will ever move all the applications and all the data into the cloud.
We'll pay the usage of the cloud per hours. So does it mean we can switch the applications off when we don't need them?
Yeah, absolutely. If there's an application that you don't need, you can certainly switch it off.